The first time I forgot a familiar name mid-sentence, I laughed it off. Days later it happened again. Not dramatic, not alarming, but enough to make me wonder how much of brain aging is inevitable and how much is influenced by daily choices. I searched for a remedy. What I found instead was something more grounded and far more powerful. There is no single cure for dementia, but there are evidence-based strategies that support cognitive resilience over time. How dementia develops in simple terms. Protein buildup and inflammation affect neurons. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, dementia is a syndrome characterized by decline in memory, thinking, and daily functioning. Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause. Research supported by the National Institutes of Health explains that abnormal protein accumulation, vascular changes, oxidative stress, and chronic inflammation contribute to neuronal damage. This process develops gradually across years. Improvement focuses on risk reduction, not reversal. One of the strongest dietary patterns studied is the Mediterranean-style diet. Findings from large cohort studies published in journals such as Neurology suggest that higher adherence to Mediterranean dietary patterns is associated with slower cognitive decline. This pattern emphasizes vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, olive oil, fish, and moderate nuts. It limits ultra-processed foods and excessive saturated fats. Omega-3 fatty acids play a supportive role. A component of omega-3 found in fatty fish is incorporated into neuronal membranes. Research in the Journal of Nutrition and NIS-supported studies indicate that adequate omega-3 intake may help maintain membrane fluidity and support synaptic signaling. This does not cure dementia. It supports brain structure and communication. Physical activity is equally important. Studies published in JAMA Neurology show that regular aerobic exercise is associated with improved cerebral blood flow and increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This protein supports neuron survival and plasticity. I began brisk walking for 30 minutes most days. Within weeks, my focus improved and mental fatigue decreased. Sleep became my unexpected game changer. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to impaired clearance of beta-amyloid proteins. Research in Science Translational Medicine describes how deep sleep supports glymphatic clearance pathways in the brain. Protecting 7 to 8 hours of consistent sleep felt simple, yet profoundly stabilizing. Moderation matters for every body. Effects vary by genetics and health. Consult your physician before changes. Cognitive training also deserves mention. Engaging in new learning, language practice, music, or strategic games stimulates neural networks. The Lancet Commission on Dementia Prevention highlights cognitive engagement as one modifiable factor associated with reduced risk. I started learning basic phrases in a new language. Progress was slow, frustration was real, humor helped, but the challenge itself felt like exercise for my mind. Important cautions must be clear. No supplement marketed as a dementia remedy has proven to eliminate established disease. Some products may interact with medications or offer no measurable benefit. Evidence consistently supports comprehensive lifestyle strategies rather than isolated pills. Tracking cognitive health can be practical. Monitor sleep quality, activity levels, social engagement, and periodic medical evaluations. Manage blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol, as vascular health directly influences brain health. The real shift was understanding that brain resilience is built daily. Supported by evidence from WHO, and peer-reviewed journals, consistent habits can support improved cognitive aging, not at light speed, not permanently guaranteed, but meaningfully and measurably over time. If this perspective added clarity, press like and share your thoughts. Start with one habit today. Move your body, eat whole foods, protect your sleep, challenge your mind. Small, consistent actions can support a stronger brain for years ahead. Protect your mind with steady choices.